Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: an active Greendale account, working email, and your ID. Once verified, open a modern browser and connect to a stable network so you won't interrupt authentication. Next, prepare your multi-factor method, phone app or hardware token, because the SSO enforces MFA. Make sure to use the institution's sign-in link rather than a search result, since aliases can redirect you. This saves time and prevents account lockouts in the very first step. You'll now sign in, type your Greendale email, choose the Greendale SSO provider if shown, and enter your password. Once submitted, the system will invoke MFA, either push approval or a code, so approve or paste the 6-digit code promptly. Once authenticated, review any consent screens and grant minimal permissions required. This avoids blocked resources later. If offered, consider remember this device for trusted machines, but only on personal, secure hardware to reduce friction while keeping your account safe. Once authenticated, open the resource you wanted and verify you have the expected access level. Some services require role provisioning that happens after first login. If you're redirected, stuck in a sign-in loop, or missing permissions, clear browser cache, try a private window, or use another supported browser. If problems persist, contact Greendale IT with the exact time, screenshots, and any SSO error code so they can trace the assertion. This targeted info speeds resolution and gets you back in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.